Before you launch another drone, before you even think about capturing the world from above, you need to hear this. Because what DJI is about to unleash isn't just an upgrade, it's an entire reimagining of flight. We're talking about the DJI Avata 3. And the internal leaks, the whispered specifications, the cryptic schematics surrounding this machine, they are not just rumors. They are a prophecy of untamed aerial power. Right now you're flying your Avata 2, maybe your Mini 4 Pro, or even a custom FPV build. Forget them. The Avata 3 is going to rewrite the rules so completely that these current drones will feel like quaint toys overnight. For months, the drone community has been buzzing with speculation. But behind the closed doors of DJI's top-secret labs, a beast has been crafted. This drone is rumored to incorporate breakthroughs so significant they were thought to be years away. This is the machine that analysts are already labeling the Sky Dominator. And here's why you cannot spend another dollar on a drone until you hear this entire breakdown. The heart of any modern drone is its camera, and the Avata 3 is rumored to house a new generation 1/1.3 inch or even a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Forget the Avata 2's capable sensor. The word from reliable internal sources points towards a significant jump, potentially pushing 48 to 50 megapixels for stills, and an unprecedented leap in video quality. But the sheer pixel count is just the beginning. The revolution is in the low-light performance. Imagine an Avata drone that can capture stunning, noise-free footage as the sun sets, or even in challenging indoor environments. Leaks suggest a dramatically improved aperture, potentially pushing f/1.8 or wider, allowing for incredible light gathering and a beautiful, cinematic shallow depth of field for an FPV drone. This camera is designed to see in conditions that would blind its predecessors. And here's the game changer for FPV pilots. Internal 6K 60 frames per second recording. Yes, 6K. Not just for studio drones, but for an FPV beast. This means you can punch in, stabilize, and reframe your 4K output with breathtaking clarity, providing unparalleled flexibility in post-production. The Avata 3 isn't just a drone. It's a flying cinema camera that gives you the creative freedom of a Hollywood production. The Avata 3 is rumored to run on an entirely new flight controller and propulsion system. This isn't just faster motors. This is intelligent power delivery that redefines agility and endurance. Leaks suggest a brand new propeller design paired with more efficient motors, leading to a significant increase in flight time. Rumored to be a revolutionary 30 to 35 minutes on a single battery. For FPV pilots, this means longer, more epic flights without constant battery swaps. More creative freedom, less downtime. But the most shocking rumor is the enhanced manual mode, Acro Mode. While Avata drones are known for their ease of use, internal documents suggest a deep integration of an expert mode that allows for finer, more precise control than ever before. This is designed for the seasoned FPV pilot who demands absolute mastery over their craft, unlocking maneuvers and responsiveness previously impossible with an off-the-shelf drone. This intelligent flight system won't just follow your commands.